Hi guys, welcome to my new video on this channel. In this video, we will open some boom boxes and play this Subway Surfers event. The new game mode has arrived in the game, and I will try it. I will play with Bill. Let's start. Okay. Where is the second one? Third one is there. Fourth one fifth corner. Sixth corner. Ah no, the train. Well, it's better. Okay. Let's open one blue box for now. Can we get a new Poco Hypercharge skin? Please, please, please. Only 5 items, guys. Bad luck. But we got a new Subway Super. 20 blink again. Oh my god, it's blinking. Can it be a new skin? Probably. Oh yes, but it's only the worst skin, Graffiti Alley. But we got our first skin. Okay guys, I will again play this. Now I must think. It's blinking. It's blinking, guys. Please, please, Poco skin, Poco skin. Second worst skin. But it's okay. Okay. And we got 1050 credits, 2 new abilities, and okay. Okay, guys. If you are enjoying this video, like it and subscribe on my channel. Bye!